Hey guys, look at what I got here. It's a super power turbo fan from SolarEye. I'm going to unbox it and later gonna test it. So let me just hold the box like this. It slides, sliding, sliding, and sliding. Super good. And there we go. Okay. So here I have it. The user menu looks very premium as well. I feel here that's good quality, right? And comes with 5 languages. Let me just put it here. And remove this, and there we go. That's the SolarEye Super Power Turbo Fan. It looks pretty nice. Let me just approach this camera so you see it. And I see a button here, so I can press. And here's the power button and a charge port, right? So it probably comes with a charger. There we go. Pretty nice. Let me just put it here. And let's check what I have here. So yeah, the charging cable. There we go. USB-C to USB-A, so you can use a regular charger. And here I have a strap. So I can use this strap to carry the device, which looks pretty nice. And another box here looks premium as well. The design here looks pretty good. Let me just see what I have here inside. There we go. There's a bag. And inside of this bag, let me just see what I have. Put the bag here. Oh, some brushes. Okay, looks nice. Let me just get some space here and just put the brushes here. There we go. A lot of them. And there we go. Looks nice. So a lot of accessories. So it looks like you can have a good way of cleaning everything by just using this one. Okay, guys, this is just a quick unbox. Let me just try to power it on. There we go. See, it's powered. I can also see it from here. Let's just press this button and see what happens. Whoa, pretty strong. Very, very strong. Okay, so I'm gonna test this later, otherwise I'm gonna make a mess here, but it looks very, very strong, right? So this is the SolarEye. Okay, it's just a quick unbox. I hope you like this video. You can get this on Amazon.